Hi, I'm Rich, General Manager at Ultra Motorsports. Ultra Motorsports is located in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and we specialize in sales, service, and restoration of collectible vehicles. What began as a hobby has blossomed into a full-service dealership with a state-of-the-art service center and a brand new restoration center. Nearly all of our vehicles are sold online or over the phone, meaning that very few of the customers ever have the opportunity to even physically touch, let alone drive their vehicle. It's very difficult to earn our customers' trust with just a phone call and some pictures. So we try to arm them with as much information as possible to be able to make a good decision as a consumer. Whether it's taking 100 more pictures if that's what they want to see, or doing some live interactive video. And they can see the cars being cold started, they can see the cars running, driving down the road, they can see the lights working, they can hear the car run. So it's very difficult to earn these customers' trust, but we think we do a really good job at that. Collectible vehicles are as popular as ever. They seem to be one of those things that just never goes out of style. It's great to see people that recognize that these are investment pieces. They can put their money into a car and enjoy it the entire time their investment appreciates. We also work with a variety of lenders. So let's say someone's not a cash buyer. Our lenders are available and they give our customers conventional loans at conventional rates for a classic car because they understand that these are investment pieces and they're appreciating constantly. At Ultra Motorsports, we're very excited about our new service and restoration center. We'll service any make or model, but we specialize in the classics. We all know that these carbureted engines can be a little tricky. There's no computer that you can plug into to diagnose a problem. Our team, they specialize in this stuff. We'll do anything from making sure your vehicle is road ready for the summer, something custom, something you dreamed up in only your head, to performing a safety check, say, on a vehicle that you're interested in purchasing. Ultimately, the end product is the customer happy and the car looking great. Our dealership is growing rapidly, and our goal is simple: exceed our customers' expectations in every single way. At Ultra Motorsports here, we are enthusiasts. We're car people. We've been on all sides of it. We've been buyers and we've been sellers. We understand that buying a car can be stressful. We understand that this is a big step for a lot of people. Visit our website at ultramotors.net or just give us a call if you want to talk cars.